What if I told you that you could actually make money playing video games? And I'm not talking about working for some big company. I'm not talking about coding or doing all the difficult things. I'm not even talking about testing games and then writing some big report or doing stuff like that. I'm talking about actually just simply doing what you would normally do, playing the game that you love and get paid to do it. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Brooks with Mike's Madden School, and today we're going to talk about 3 simple ways to start making money playing video games starting today. Without further ado, class is now in session. So in my opinion, these are the 3 simple ways to make money playing video games. Now this has been a hot topic amongst gamers. What is the best way to make money playing video games? So I wanted to make a video giving you the 3 simplest steps to start making money playing video games today. Step number 1, create a YouTube channel dedicated to gaming. Yes, I said YouTube before any other platform, including Twitch. Right now, YouTube is the #1 way to make real money playing video games, even for small gamers. When creating your channel, some say create a whole channel dedicated to one game. Some say make a channel dedicated to multiple games in the same genre. I've done it both ways. I've seen it both ways. I say if you're just starting out, make a channel based off your favorite game, because if you don't love it, then you'll get tired and quit when you don't get views right away. Now, there are 2 types of games that you can make your channel based off of, and I put them in 2 categories, and this is 1, competition-based games, and then 2, linear type games. Competition-based games usually have a different outcome every time you play the game, and it will be a different winner. For example, these types of games are usually sports games, fighting games such as Street Fighter, Mortal Kombat, and shooter games such as Call of Duty or Fortnite. Linear games usually have a story attached to the game, and no matter how many times you play that game, there's only going to be one outcome. Examples of these games are usually RPG games and open world type games. Now these games do have flexibility to walk around the world. However, if you've seen it once, you don't need to see it again. Now of course there's always exceptions like Grand Theft Auto. Now in this case, once you're done with the game, there's little to no content you'll have left until you get a new game. So that's why these type of games are always tough to start out with from a beginner channel. So the key is to start off with your favorite game, in my opinion, because in the very beginning, before you really start making money, you will need to work through the process and the journey of creating content without actually getting paid for it. It's a lot easier to do it when you're playing your favorite game. Step 2, start live streaming. Live streaming your content is the easiest way to produce content on YouTube. You don't have to worry about editing or any of those things. You just have to hit the button and stream it live, and boom, you have content. I play the PlayStation 5, and if you're on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5, I have a couple of videos. I'll link them in the description below, where you can learn how to live stream from your PlayStation to YouTube and accept YouTube terms and conditions. If you're on Xbox, you can still utilize these videos. You can just skip the actual PlayStation part and go right to accepting YouTube's terms and conditions, because it'll be the same way whether you do it on PlayStation or Xbox. Step 3, now that you have some streaming content, you can download that content and then edit the content to create even more content. So let's say you start streaming for 2 hours. You can download that content and then clip it and edit it to make it a 5 to 10 minute video. It doesn't matter what part of the video, maybe it was a good play, a good kill, or whatever you did, you can turn that video in from 2 hours to 5 to 10 minutes and re-upload that video to get more views. There are a ton of free and cheap editing software you can use to clip your videos. So don't be afraid to go on YouTube, search the easiest free top editing software, easy to use. I do have videos to where I go over some of the editing software that I use. Feel free to look in the playlist that I have, how to make money playing video games, and I'll link that playlist below. Now here's a bonus step that will really help you grow your channel quickly. When you download that live stream content, you did your 5 to 10 minute clip. Now you can also clip it for 30-second to 1 minute clip to make that a YouTube short. YouTube shorts are basically the TikTok version of YouTube, and this is where you can put your favorite play, your whatever that you want to clip for less than 1 minute. YouTube Shorts is the best way to grow your subscriber list quickly and be monetized as soon as possible. You will need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you qualify to join YouTube's partnership program and start getting paid. So YouTube Shorts would allow you to grow this channel very, very quickly. In the month of August, I got over 2,000 subscribers just in 1 month. So don't forget YouTube Shorts. If you follow these simple steps, you will be able to grow your gaming channel and start making money playing video games starting today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please support the channel by liking the video, subscribing, hitting that bell notification icon so you never miss any of our videos. And I will see you guys next time. Class is dismissed. Take care.